and welcome to Pumpkin's Nail Station. Today is a quick one. We're just going to do an AIMEILI candy cane using the Christmas set. So we're going to be using the gold glittery one, the red glittery one, and I think I'm just going to use the regular green just to break it up a little bit. And we're going to use I've used the base coat, and we're going to be using the no wipe top coat as well. The white polish that I've used, because I don't have an AIMEILI white yet, I'm planning on getting one, is just a regular white. And we're going to add a hollow like top coat to it, just for some sparkle underneath the candy cane. So I'm just going to do that first. This is a really old one that I've got that I just found. So, and I thought, oh, that'd be pretty to use, and it's literally just one of these cheap ones. It's one of the first gel polishes that I ever brought when I started getting back into nail arts and stuff like that. So yeah, I bought a ton of these and I've never used them. So yeah, because once you try a good polish, you just can't go back. So what we'll need now is some lining brushes. So I've got three. We've got three colours. So I've got three lining brushes, or you could just use one and clean it in between, it's fine. So we've cured that, so I'm going to put some red on this one. So basically you just pop in a bit of polish onto your lining brush, like that, or you can just dip it in around the sides of the bottle, making sure you've moved off any excess clumps. And to do a candy cane, you do your lines sideways on. So do them as thin and as straight as you can. I'm doing this upside down, so it's difficult for me. So that is that one, and now we're going to do a green line. I'm just going to do them like one after the other basically. I'm just going to pop some green on that brush, and then we're going to pop some green on here. finish with the gold. So I'm just going to cure that and then I'll come back. Okay, and that's it. That's the finished candy cane. So I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Like I say, I'm not an artist, so I tried my best. It's probably not the straightest either, but hey, I tried. And my next two designs will be these ones. It'll be my Christmas tree, my wreath, using the She Modern pigments and the AIMEILI polishes, and some She Modern glitters, and I think there's a Becky Rose glitter in there as well. And I've just finished filming this guy here. And yesterday I did this little fella here. This one here. It was a collaboration I did with Sassy Family, so the video for that will be in the top right. So yeah, I've just been working on doing some artwork really, just got into having some fun. I think this one was actually a better attempt at a candy cane, but you can tell me what you think, if you think I did a good job or not. Okay, right, so that's everything. If you want to buy the Christmas set that I've used in this, I'll put the link in the bottom corner, and I'll just stick an image of it up now on the screen. It is absolutely gorgeous, and the top and base coat is, it's the bomb. Honestly, you need to buy it. Seriously, if you love nail art and you love Christmas, this set, wow, it blew me away. It inspired me to give nail art a go, like painting wise and freehand and doing my own artwork. So yeah, and I think it's only $13.99 as well, and you have to pay your shipping, but if you just brought another bottle of polish or something like that, it should take you over. I mean, why pay shipping when you can get a bottle of polish instead and get free shipping? So yeah, so these were everything that I used. So thanks for watching. Bye.